Hi everyone, today's recipe is a high fiber, healthy superfood rice. And this is a kale and okra seasoned rice. This recipe contains three superfoods and is a healthy addition for your lunch plate. Let's get to the ingredients. We're going to start off the kale okra seasoned rice by preparing the fresh kale. I don't really trust the kale in the bags. I prefer to buy fresh kale and wash them. So I'm removing the spine and then we're going to chop these up. These have already been washed. We don't want these hard things in our rice. And although it's a kale okra seasoned rice, it's not going to be slimy or anything of that sort. So we're going to put this together. We have some okras. I'm not slicing the okras circular. I'm cutting them into quarters and then 1 inch. When you cut them like this for the seasoned okra rice, they stand up much better and your rice doesn't get slimy. But you get some nice shelly grains of rice. We have some other ingredients here. And we're going to head over to the pot. We're starting off by sauteing some vegetables. And let's add some onions. We're adding some celery. And we're adding just a little bit of thyme. And this is fresh thyme. We're allowing all the flavors to come together, and then we're going to add the kale, and this should take about 2 minutes. We're going to add our kale now. And you will find all the recipe and the ingredient amounts in the description box. And we're sauteing this. Once the kale reduces, we're going to add the okra and fry it up. You want to crisp up the okras a little bit and prevent it from becoming slimy, so that way your rice becomes more grainy when you're done. I'm going to leave this in here for about 4 minutes, and then we're going to add the other ingredients. Allowing the okra to saute would prevent the slime from releasing, and you will get nice bites of okra without it being slimy. Let's add some vegetable broth. If you don't have broth, then you can make a mixture of bouillon cube and hot water to the same amount. We're adding the rice. And this is 3 cups of rice. You can do this the other way around by sauteing the rice and then add the vegetable broth. Adding some garlic powder, fried rice seasoning, and sea salt. Cooking the rice depends on the brand of rice that you have. I know this rice, so I know it cooks for about 25 minutes, but some rice will cook faster than some. Depending on the rice that you're cooking or the brand of rice that you're cooking, then you will know how long to cook your rice for. Half teaspoon of paprika goes in there for the color, and 3 tablespoons of butter. Whenever you're making seasoned rice, the liquid must be above the rice by about 1 inch to 1.5 inch, but no more than 2 inches. Taste for salt. I'm adding another 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Cover it over with parchment paper or foil, and then we're going to seal it down tightly. For safety, I'm taking off the edges. "25 minutes is now up, and we're going to remove this. It's nice and shelly. And here you have it, a healthy superfood rice, kale and okra seasoned rice. I am serving this up with some deep fried kingfish in a tamarind and ginger sauce, paired with some deep fried plantains. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe.